So this year we filled a whole heap of holes in this one, and you've got two choices. You can fill from the top, but the problem is, when you fill from the top, it tends to drop down and get air trapped underneath. I much prefer to fill the syringe and then use the draw-up needle, put the draw-up needle right down into the hole, and then fill it from the bottom up. And you'll find it fills a lot better, and you don't get air trapped underneath. This is a burl where all the holes have been filled with a boat coat. Best way to do it is fill with a syringe and a draw-up needle. This fella over here. So you fill the syringe with the epoxy, then clean the tip off, and then put the draw-up needle on. Don't leave epoxy on there and put the draw-up needle on, or you'll shoot it across the room. So these are all been filled, and it was done yesterday. Even so, there's a little bit of sagging. To get around that problem, you've got to go back every now and again and keep filling until it's full. So to stop the epoxy running away, what we did was coat the back of the timber with duct tape, just cheapy stuff from the hardware store. Make sure you seal it well, because if you don't, the epoxy will run away on you. And then go and have a filling good time. Once you've done this, you sand back, and you've got a couple of choices from there. You can oil it, which Scott's going to do with this piece, or as I like doing, I like to put the pour-on gloss over it and really bring out the character. It depends what you're using it for. You could now use this as a chopping board, and that's where the oiling comes in. If you want it as a decorative piece, sit on the centre of a table. You need to be careful, because if you're going to use it as a centrepiece in the middle of your table, you can't have hot things on it. If you coat it with epoxy, you're better off oiling. So it depends on your final use, how you'll finish the surface off. But that's where it is to date, and I think Scott's about to unveil. All right, this is our burl we did last Friday. I've peeled the duct tape off it, and I've only taken it off half, and you'll notice where it's come through, where the holes went right through. Other areas, the holes mustn't be right through on this side, so this will need some work on this side as well. But when you've done it, the duct tape comes off really easy. Look at this. It just peels off, so it's quite easy to get it off. It's not hard at all to pull off, and as simple as that. Just pull him off. Feels like it's caught here a bit on the ends. That's alright, we'll pull him back. There we are. Look at that. So you can see where the holes went right through, and if we didn't have the duct tape there, we would have had a sticky mess everywhere. Anyway, she's looking good.